Hey guys, so I'm gonna tell you how to delete unfavorite photos from your gallery. So this is gonna be really helpful if you want to delete a group of photos, especially when you want to clear out storage. So make sure all your liked photos are on your favorites, and this can be really helpful to delete the remaining unwanted stuff. So first you have to create a shortcut. If you don't know how, then just go to create shortcut app. This is that app icon, and then click this press. You'll get a new shortcut on top. You can tap this left side new shortcut and you'll be able to rename this. Also, you can just tap the icon to select an icon and the colors. So whatever. I've already had got this one thing named delete unfavorites. So let me go and edit it. So first in the right side, if you see, I'm using my iPad. You can also use your iPhones. Everything's gonna be just the same. So now we are going to create this delete unfavorite. So first for deleting, we are going to filter it and group all the photos that are unfavorites. So we're going to group that and then delete it altogether. If you don't know about Shortcut and how to use it, check out my YouTube channel. Soon I'll be posting that video. So here you go and search, find. So you will get this find photos. So here find all photos and then click this filter. Album is recents. You can add this or even you can also just delete it. Like it's of no use because we are going to find from all photos. So another filter is this is the main one is not favorite. So once you select this is not favorite, it's gonna produce all the photos, group of photos that is not favorite. So just go and search here again, delete. You'll find this delete photos. Automatically you see you'll get this photos. If you didn't get this, just clear this. If you get something like this, then just tap this. Select variable, this magic variable. Select that and you'll be able to see the output of the top command. So just click that, you'll find this delete. So delete photos. That's it, guys. And just so you know, if you just tap this, it's gonna run. Okay, so go to settings and search for shortcuts. You'll get this page. You select advanced and keep this off. I think this is better this way, or just keep it on if you want to just delete it directly without confirmation. Okay, and also you can allow deleting large amounts of data. If your photos are like too much, you just keep it on. So right now I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want to delete all my photos right now. So if you want to also get a preview, then you can search here, view content graph. So this one right here, I'm gonna drag and place it here. So input is photos, automatically it will be adjusted. So now let me try this. So yeah, these are the items. Just click done. So now I have set my settings to not allow to delete large number of photos. So here it says you can allow this in settings. So if you want to delete it for permanently, just turn it on and delete it. You're done. This is the shortcut for delete unfavorites. So I've also created a few more shortcuts here to like organize and delete my photos. This shortcut, what it does is I'll share one image to this shortcut and it will group all the photos on that day, which is not my favorites, and delete everything. And it will group remaining photos on which was taken on the day and store it into another album separately. So that's what I'm working on right now. So next video, I'll be posting it in the following weeks. Also, I have this remove background thing. Uh, till now, gallery only lets us to delete to remove the background for one photo. So I'm just working on one thing to delete it in groups. Also like to edit like flip image, convert it and everything. So make sure you subscribe for more videos.